I'm recording you.
You want a lollipop? Ready? Ready? Are you sure? This hand? This hand? What hand?
They don't know.
It's this hand.
Look at the muscles on that dog. Jesus.
He's like that. I'll just stand behind you.
I'll wait.
Wait. You got 1, 2. He's like 2 lollipops there. You want a lollipop? You gonna sit? Good boy. Get down. Get down. Get down. I know you want it. Mama's gotta see your face. Come on. Turn with me. Walk. Ow. Walk with me. Whoa. Okay, turn. Ow. Ready? You want it? Can you sit? Sit. He's like that. This is. You gonna give me the lollipop or not? Sit. Brady. Sit down. No. Sit. Sit down.
Sit. Oh.
Sit. Stay. Good boy.
Oh my gosh.
I'll hold it. I'll hold it. You don't got thumbs. I'll hold it. You're not taking it nowhere. Can I give some to your bubba?
Oh, I think that's a no. It looks like he's chewing on your finger. Ew.
That is just gross. No, it's your bubba's turn. Jack's like, what is... Oh, this is Jack's first lollipop.
Yeah. And Brady's jealous. Brady already ate yours.
You already ate your lollipop.
Oh my gosh.
Here, you want the rest of it?
Don't give him the stick.
No, I'm not gonna give it to you.
Oh.
See, Jax knows how to have a lollipop. No, no. He already bit it. Don't let go. Don't let go, little homie. You good lollipop, huh?
Is his tongue blue?
Yeah. Brady knows how to bite it.
Yep.
No. Here.
Uh-oh.
You already had a lollipop.
He's like, it's okay, I'll have another one.
The sad part about it is he knows where they're at. That's why he keeps going over there. Okay, you can have them there. Don't take it from me. You gotta like hold on to it.
3 minutes of cuteness.
Let it go.
And I guarantee people would rather see this than us vlog. They're like, oh, who's Mozy? I love Brax. That's who I'm here for. I mean, I wouldn't blame them.
Tongues are so blue. Quit biting it. It's a lollipop.
Lick it.
Like Jax. Look, see? No, Jax. Quit biting it. Look at that. Look at that.
I gotta pee. I can't keep fixing camera still. It's making me want to go better.
Oh.
There's.
Oh, look at that.
They're so cute. Look, Brady sat down. Look at Jax's eyes. Okay. It's gone. Almost. Yep. That's all.
You better use that. Let it go.
I can't stay stuck that.
Look at his eyes.
I gotta sit down. Look at all this slobber. There's still some left.
Sit. Sit.
Good boy.
Good boy. Watch him fight.
You're gonna come back with a nub.
Look at his eyes. Oh.
Oh my
Here, Jax. You better look. It's all over Jax. No.
Body shots. It's gone.
It's got a
There's like a
piece.
little bitty piece left, and Jax is like determined.
Here. Go boy. Bah. No more. There's no more. I'm sorry.
The only time they're somewhat well behaved is when they're getting something. Look at the slobber on Izzy's pants.
My shirt. My hands are all nasty. Full of slobber.
Look at him.
Look.
You want more, Bubba?
Look at that. There's more slobber. I have to stay clean, man. Oh, I guess not. Sorry. I got candy right here.
Oh. 5 minutes of that is like just even, I don't know what to say. It's like 10 times better than 5 minutes with us. They're so cute.
I feel so nasty.
Look, now they're gonna go find it. Watch, now Birdie's gonna like go find it. He knows where they're at. Let's see if I can get it. There's the candy. It's right over there. It's not in that box, but it's down. Yep. He knows where it's at. Oh, no. He's not doing it. Alright. Well, that's so much better than us vlogging. And so much cuter, so I hope y'all enjoy that clip of like 6 minutes of dog and drool and lollipops. Because we've been playing with them for a while. We locked the front door so that they could run out for a little bit. And they get a little crazy sometimes. Don't you, boys? We have too much fun. Don't we, boys? Yep, we have a lot of fun. Alrighty guys, see y'all later. Good morning everybody. I'm trying a new hairstyle. Not really. Having a hard time getting ready this morning. It's Friday, but it's not payday, so it's not a good Friday. It's 6:34, my mommy texted me. So we're trying to get ready, or we're trying to get going. It's been hard this morning. Yesterday we uploaded our Bean Boozled challenge. Look at my hair. Like, look at it. I braided it because I went to sleep with my hair wet and ugh. Anyways, whoa there. Good morning, boys. We uploaded the Bean Boozled challenge because it was from a week ago. And we finally posted that yesterday, so we didn't vlog because we worked the 14 hours. Oh look, pizza for breakfast. Jack, stop! Why you always look at me? So, I forgot where I was at. But anyways, we're on our way to work. We'll vlog today because we do get off, not early, but we get off by like 4, I think, today. Because our schedule's changed today. And, it's alright, you can shut it. I'll turn on the slide. Okay. And, so anyways, we're gonna have a longer day today. I didn't bring my makeup. I was gonna have Izzy do my makeup, but no, not yet. I'm so into it. Does it feel good when I scratch your nose or what? So we're headed to work, finally. We're running late. I'm not really sure why, but it's just been one of those mornings, like couldn't get everybody up together and going. This one was like the first one awake. It's that one that never wants to get up. The big one. Alright guys, shutting the doors and the lights go off. Alright, bye guys.
Hello everybody, Mozy here.
I'm watching vlogs. I love Shannon, so I wish I could talk like her, but that's not even how she sounds, so.
No.
We did a Mexican candy haul, which you haven't seen yet because I haven't posted it yet. So I might post it on Sunday. But I'm still eating the candy from it. Or actually, no. We went to Walgreens last night and I got some more. And this is my second one. They come like this. And this is my second one. And I guess I should move my feet. This is my, I just put it on a spoon. It's easier to eat.
Yeah.
Jerk.
They figure they can drive through the wrong way.
Spawn.com, y'all. I'm obsessed.
You're obsessed?
Yeah, my mom's gonna be mad at me.
Because you're eating candy in the morning?
Yeah.
It's Mexican candy.
Yeah, she's gonna be pissed. Hi, Mom. Did you eat anything for breakfast?
Candy.
Candy. So anyways, We're just chilling.
It's been a slow morning. A real slow
Yesterday
morning.
was cray. Yesterday got cray.
Yep.
It was busy.
Yesterday was the 20th.
Yeah. Golden Chick is having 3 things for $1 today.
We don't have a golden chicken.
I know.
There's a lot of stuff we don't have here.
Sucks.
Yeah.
We're leaning. You know that, right?
Are we?
Because you have us stacked on
You believe this way?
Expo markers and Sharpies.
I couldn't find my tripod.
His arms are too sore to hold the camera.
Yeah, my arms hurt. We didn't even work out. My biceps are like sore. So I think when I'm asleep at night, I'm doing push-ups or lifting my weights.
You sleep weird. You sleep like this sometimes. With your arms under your pillow. What are you doing?
I can sleep standing up.
What are those?
Yeah, sometimes I just fall asleep sitting down. Like in this chair I'm in. It's happening. It's not good. I'm just kind of hoping this day goes by fast.
We got stuff to do today.
And yo, the boys are going to doggy daycare Sunday. And we're off. Hopefully.
I wish we could go home.
Yeah.
But if we went home, they wouldn't go to doggy daycare.
Yeah.
They'd play at the house.
Yeah. They got a big backyard.
And sisters. Bum, bum, bum. They got 3 sisters. Marley, Leilani, and Abby. Abby's kind of like a stepsister because don't nobody like her.
No, you don't like her. She loves me.
She doesn't like Brady or Jax.
Oh.
I'm talking about my dogs, okay?
Okay. I just think it's funny when we get there, Jax chases the cats.
Oh yeah, Jax doesn't like cats. He just wants to torment them. It's so funny.
Scared of Appy, but tries to fight all the cats. Won't never catch him. He tries.
He always ends up face planting like.
Yeah. And then with the towel, he just sliding.
Sorry guys.
Where'd you going? And let the boys out. Just get in the babies. They've been a little horrible.
Roll up. No, I'm just.
Get to the baby.
They have to stay in the office. Here. They have to stay in the office because of the health department. They can't be around. Oh, don't give me that face. Hi, baby. Hi.
Would you let me up, Mom?
Because they can't be around the snow cones that we make. Uh-oh. That might be Grandpa. You talk to Grandpa? Yeah. Where's he at? Brady. Oh, who is it? Sorry. Hey, Mom's taking a nap there. Here.
Part time? You can give me just a second.
I gotta talk to somebody. Just kidding. I'm not really busy. Hang on just a second, guys.
It's been a little slow.
I love this stuff.
Yeah, if you want to come in and fill it out.
My hair is so ratchet. Is that right, Tom? Look at my babies. You don't want me for the candy.
Okay, actually, don't sell liquor. We just, it's,
Where's Mommy's?
it's a smoke shop kind of convenience store. So we do sell beer, tobacco products.
They just want my candy. This vlog's gonna be. Your breath still smells terrible. This vlog's gonna be like all dogs. Because our dogs are.
There's just a piece of paper.
You better get your tail.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, where's Jax? Oh, there he is. He disappeared.
Come on. Jump. Jump. Ow. Stop it.
Hi, little baby. Come here, Jaxie. Come on. Come on. Wait, whoa. No, not you. You're too big.
Ew.
Oh my god. I can't.
Come on.
I can't. I can't. Don't make me drop the camera.
Up there.
Don't make me drop the camera. Just relax. He's such a spaz. Oh my god.
Go.
What are y'all doing? What are you? Oh, they're dancing. They're dancing.
Let me bite your ear. Let me see. Let me bite.
Oh.
Give me the ear. Give me the ear. Come here.
This is like our happiness. I don't know. They're so cute.
Let me see. Let me bite the ear. Let me bite it.
That tail. You're like, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, you got it? Alright, well, fun over. The fun sucker is here. No, I'm just kidding. Nobody's here. Yeah. Alright. Well, say bye. Say bye. Say see you later. Say we'll be here, but we gotta go. Mommy's gotta go. She's gonna do something with her life. Where'd they go? Boogie! He's over there with his. Oh, there he is. Hi, baby. Say bye-bye. Say Mozy and Brax out. Oh.
Don't be camera shy, man.
He's always like that. He's always not.
Come on, Buggy.
But I scratch your butt. So freeze.
Brady. Freeze! 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 Don't move! Freeze! I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Like, what are you doing here, Mom? Good boy. Okay.
Good boy.
Right. Mom and Dad gotta work now. We love you. Come here. Thank you.
Oh, he gave Mama kisses. Oh.
Excuse me, come here. Jax, come give me a kiss. You turned. You got me off the list.
Alright, you guys. Mozy out.